Myth 2. Solar is unpredictable and unreliable. Far from being unreliable, solar is extremely reliable on an annual basis. Why? Because the precise time of daily sunrise and sunset can be calculated, and from this the number of daylight hours. From this, one can forecast the yield of electricity from solar systems with remarkable accuracy. Solar tech is also very reliable, and provided it is properly maintained, should last decades. With improvements in energy storage technology, excess solar energy can be easily stored for later use, which smooths out peaks and troughs in energy demand. In some parts of the world, such as Hawaii, Saudi Arabia, and South Africa, it is possible for solar to provide close to 100% of needed energy 24 hours a day, 365 days a year. Though, of course, not every area that can do this actually does, but the potential is there. Even Birmingham, UK, which is not known for being the sunniest place, could obtain roughly 62% of its energy needs from solar. Additionally, complaints about how unreliable solar energy is ignore the fact that solar does not need to provide all our power needs alone. Solar and wind power complement each other well, as the daily and seasonal cycle experienced by wind and solar energy means that they operate at their best at different times. For example, in winter, when solar output is more limited, winds tend to be higher. Winds continue to blow throughout the night when demand for energy is usually lowest, thus topping up the batteries until solar can take up the next shift. So a combination of technologies, such as solar and wind power, can be combined with energy storage to smooth out fluctuations of supply and demand on the power grid. The argument has long been that because renewables are so unpredictable and unreliable, that fossil fuel-generated power is necessary for a stable grid. But with today's technology, this is just no longer the case. A grid powered by green energy can be balanced on both short and long-term scales. Far from damaging energy security, adopting green technology, such as solar, can improve the reliability of electricity networks. The EU, for example, has a comparatively high solar share, with a little over 22% of EU power coming from solar in 2025. The EU has a far more reliable electricity network than, for example, the US, which has a much lower share of its energy from solar, around 7% in 2025. Germany has seen a surge of solar and wind energy in recent years, with their combined share rising from 2% to 43% over the last 25 years, without impacting the security or reliability of the country's power supply. And if you want to hear more myths about solar power debunked, please check out my full-length video. Until next time, thank you for watching.